Wow, that was a lot of glue. You want to see? Watch this. So there it is, our next table. We're setting up right out here on the floor to do it. Gotta get gloved up. Multiple layers. We'll be peeling these off as we go. Brought plenty of glue to the party. We're gonna need it. Let's have it ready to go. Come on, are we ready? Let's do it. Okay guys, I think we got it. I gotta get some more clamps on it though real quick. Across the top. All right, now we just gotta let it dry. That's a lot of work and a lot of glue. Thanks for watching. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. That's a lot of glue.